Okay, so I have my notepad totally done. I think it looks great. It's super minimalist. This is kind of what I want. Something that I can use just on a daily basis to help me focus on what I should be doing today. What are my today goals? And so I kind of like that this is a little off center. I'm going to go with that. I'm ready to get it ready for production. So I've saved it already. And it's just been saved as an AI file, but you do want to also turn in a PDF and a PNG for your work. But what I'll do right now is the PDF, because there's a special thing you need to do on these PDFs. So I'm going to go to File, File, Save As. I'm going to change this to Adobe PDF, hit Save, and then on this second screen, we're going to click on Marks and Bleeds and make sure that Trim Marks is selected. You don't need registration marks. So just Trim Marks and then click Save PDF. Then what I'm going to do is go to a new document, and I'm going to get 8.5 by 11 piece of paper and hit Create. This is where I'm going to get my notepad ready for production. File, Place. I'm going to go find in my mess of files where I just put my notepad. So I've got the AI file and the PDF. I'm going to get the PDF right now and hit Place. And then when I drop it, you'll see it comes in with these little marks here. And these are going to be really helpful when I need to cut my notepad down. Now, right now, it's kind of taking up most of this page this way, and if I duplicate it, I'm not going to be able to fit two on it this way. But let's see if I change my artboard to a landscape, will it fit? And I think it's not. Oh, it's so close. Because of those bleeds, it's not gonna fit. But for purposes of demonstration, I want to show you how to set this up. So we're going to pretend that mine are a little smaller. So I'm just going to actually shrink them. So if you can fit more than one on your page, please do so. So for example, if I go a little smaller, which I'd actually be okay with, mine doesn't have to be a full 8 inches long. I'm going to go ahead and just put 2 on here. And to make my life a little easier, I'm going to grab them both and align them centered so that they line up together, so I have one cut across. And that's going to be really important to make the cuts just kind of smoother and faster. And so now I am ready to go with this. I would send this, or I would save this also as a PDF. So I'm going to do Notepad, KTT, print, and then put PDF there. And then I will have this ready to send to the printer and ask Miss T to release it. For most folks, you can choose whether you want the regular copy paper, the little bit glossier paper, or if you want to try out a specialty paper. You can look through the cabinets, and if you find something you would like to put on your notepads on, you are more than welcome to. And then I usually have people start with 20 sheets. If you want a lot more than that, or if you want to make a couple to give to somebody, we can definitely do more than that. But 20 is a good minimum to start, because you'll get 40. For my example, I would get 40 because there's 2 on each sheet. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need me to check your work.